Hi, I'm Laura and I'm getting the ResurFX laser done today. I've been coming to Juvly for almost a year now, and this will be the first time I'm getting a laser treatment done. Previously, I've gotten microneedling done, focusing on my self-consciousness about acne scarring and pigment and things like that. So I'm really looking forward to trying out the laser and seeing how it goes, and I absolutely love Juvly, and I can't wait to share my after results with everybody.
I'm Krista. I'm a Master Provider here at Capillaries, and we just wanted to give you an inside look at the M22. It is a multi-system piece of technology that has lasers in it, 2 actually, that we use here at Juvly. It has both an IPL, which stands for Intense Pulse Light, and a ResurFX, which is a non-ablative fractionated CO2. They sometimes call it the lunchtime Photofacial. And what it does is it targets reds and browns. So what are you talking about? So we get those little broken capillaries around our nose, sometimes like that, sunspots, so all the little freckles it can target, and then just overall skin imperfections it can kind of help, just the glow of your skin, it's just gonna kind of whip it into shape. Both of these treatments are awesome separately, but we can do them together. So that's gonna give you the best overall treatment, just because we're gonna target the red that you have on your face, and then we're also gonna work with stimulating collagen, things like that to help with the other stuff. So when you do both of those lasers together, it's called the Photofabulous. With these lasers, as far as downtime, the IPL, they sometimes call it the lunchtime, so you can kind of do it, put on makeup, go about your day. No real downtime. You can have a little flakiness, things like that, be a little bit irritated, but you can generally put on makeup, go about your day, just so you're prepared. Another big thing with this treatment, if you have any suntan, like you're just recently at the beach or was out in the sun, or had self-tanner, got a spray tan, then we'd have to wait at least 2 to 4 weeks. So the laser is so smart that it's too smart sometimes, that it will target the tan that's on your skin and not where we actually want it to hit. So that can cause damage to your skin just because it's gonna target on top of it. So people are like, why does it matter? But you can just change the setting to a darker setting, but that's not true. We just don't want to cause any harm to you. So that's why before we do the laser, when we go through consents, everything like that, we always make sure you don't have an active tan. So I'm going to put
My stickers on.
So these are pretty cool. Instead of having goggles that are hard to work around, we have these little stickers that make it really easy. So we're gonna get you all gelled up. So that's why this procedure takes a little bit longer, obviously, because it's 2 lasers, and you need gel for this one, and then for the ResurFX, your face has to be completely clean and dry.
Okay. Is there a reasoning for doing the IPL before the ResurFX?
So obviously we're targeting the brown and the reds, where the ResurFX you get extremely red, so it wouldn't have good results. I mean, it just wouldn't be the right steps to do it.
That makes sense.
Are you ready?
Yes.
So you're gonna see a flash of light, but your eyes are protected. It's just your retina senses light, even though it doesn't matter. You okay? Does that hurt?
No, it just startled me.
Startled?
Yep.
So this, we're gonna go and pass over your entire face with it, because this is just a skin treatment that's targeting all of your redness. And it actually has cooling in it, like, so if you feel that, it's cool. Which is kind of nice for you.
Nice.
And with this, we protect your hair, because, like, again, I said, lasers are very smart, but then they also can just go after a color and not realize they're going after hair. So I haven't checked it, because sometimes it'll take a couple hits, just because. So what she has on her face technically needs to be cut off to get rid of it, but you can take out the color. So then it's just like a little bump, not like a pimple looking bump. I don't know how you can see how small it is. We are going to target the little individual spots.
And I know that they just posted like the different treatment on someone's nose.
So I've had treatments on my vessels for years. It's kind of a maintenance thing.
Yeah.
Like when it's cold out for the winter and you blow your nose, all of a sudden they come back a little bit. And sometimes I think a lot of people just have general redness.
Yeah.
So we are currently doing the second part of the Photofabulous, which is the ResurFX. This one is the non-ablative fractionated CO2, where I just get to pick a shape and I just follow my pattern and I just go along all of her skin. Well, just because I think that's a big area for you of concern just with the acne scarring. So I'm kind of like, okay, that's my worst area. Just do it as, you know, strong as you can.